Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. Today, I want to introduce you all to one of my newest channel partners, LOTOS Technologies out of Sunnydale, California. They make welding and metalworking equipment, and they've sent me the LTP5500D plasma cutter. This is a 55 amp pilot arc plasma cutter. Now, I haven't opened it yet, and this is the first plasma cutter that I have ever owned or ever will be using. LOTOS has been shaking up the industry a little bit because they're offering really good, affordable tools and at the same time getting really good reviews on their products. So they sent this to me to try out, use it for a while, see if I like it, and today I'm just doing an unboxing video showing you what comes with it, and we may test it out a little bit. But then I'm going to use it for 30 days or 60 days or so, get a good feel of it, and then do a review and tell you what I think about it. Is it worth the money? Is it a quality product? Are there any issues? Things of that nature. So, without further ado, let's get this thing open. So in the box, we've got several things. We've got the actual plasma cutter itself. Quite a bit lighter and smaller than I would have expected for something that is capable of cutting, such thick metal. Let me give you a zoom in of the controls there. Got several different consumables, and then the actual cutter itself, the ground, and what I assume is an air hose. So far, it's been fairly intuitive. Everything's just been, plug and play. I guess I should probably at least look at the instructions to make sure that I haven't forgotten something or missed something. Hoping that my air hose connectors fit the back of this so I don't have to use the air hose they sent. And it does, so that's good. I'm currently in the process of wiring up my metalworking area out in the garage as we're doing the remodel out there, but I really want to try this thing out right now. So I've got 240 volts here in my wood shop, so I'm going to do a few test cuts here. I'm not going to do too much because sparks in a wood shop usually aren't the best combination, but I've got to try out the new toy. So. Wow, that is amazing. I gotta go get some thinner stuff and play around a little bit. Alright, so I've got a piece of bar here that is about somewhere between a 1/16 and an 1/8 of an inch thick. I'm not sure exactly how thick it is, but it's more what I typically use when I am building something that's not structural, and so try cutting through that. So what are my first impressions? Right now I'm in love, but honestly, I think I would be in love with any plasma cutter I was using right now. I've never had one, it's a tool I've always wanted, and it's going to make the chore of cutting metal so much easier when I'm fabricating. I have a couple projects planned over the next couple months. The first is going to be a hidden winch, and I'm going to have to build the mounting brackets for it on my LX470, so be watching for that. I don't want to review it yet because I just haven't used it enough. That's not what this video is about, but I will use it. I'll get back to you, I'll let you know. LOTOS says on their website that they are marketing towards the DIYer and the entry-level or small business person. And this seems like this would fit that bill. So I'll use it and I'll let you guys know. If you like these videos, click that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.